Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Social Media Done Right. Today I'm going to talk about YouTube, their changes in their YouTube partner program, so-called YPP, and what's going to change for channels starting this January and for current channels actually starting on the 20th of February. So here is the announcement, guys. Since 2017 was a tough year for YouTube in tackling some problems with creators uploading just the wrong things and abusing their subscribers by asking them to do things they were not supposed to do. They made a couple of, I think, significant changes. They started this back in April 2017 when they said that eligibility for the partnership program at 10,000 lifetime views. They're changing now the rules again, and starting today, that was on the 16th of January, they're changing the eligibility requirement for monetizing videos to 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months. So that's not a lifetime views, hours, watch time hours. These are only hours watched within the past 12 months. And also, not only that, you need to have 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize your videos. So they're saying that they've arrived to these new thresholds after thorough analysis, conversations with creators such like you and me, and on 20th of February they'll implement the threshold across existing channels on the platform to allow for 30-day grace period. On that day, channels with fewer than 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours will no longer be able to earn money on YouTube. Fantastic. So it means that for people like me who have created a channel very recently, trying to start and do something and get some money out of my knowledge and the videos I create, I would need a lot of time, a lot of subscribers, and a lot of good views, a lot of long watch hours to get to that number, and I think it will be very difficult to achieve. I understand why YouTube is doing that. They're tackling some great issues and they have an explanation. They are saying that a significant number of channels, 99% of those affected, were making already less than $100 per year in the last year, and 90% of earnings were earning less than $250, that's in dollars, in the last month. So they think not many of the affected people will lose out on a lot of money. However, I think it's making it even more difficult for small channels to start and do a good job in earning from YouTube. I guess this was to be expected. It's not possible to always have amazing content, but also it's not always very easy to get subscribers, watch hours, etc., and comments and everything. So I get it. In a way, I understand, but in a way, I'm sad because I know it will take me a long time until I get some return for the content I'm making and posting on YouTube. So yeah, this is it, guys. Just a quick update on the latest changes from YouTube. I hope it was useful to you. If you have any questions, if you're a creator just like me starting out in the past few months or even weeks or days, just let me know. Drop a line. Tell me what you think about these changes in the new YouTube partner program, and I'll be happy to discuss this with you. Or if you have any questions, just drop me a comment under this video. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll continue to do videos related to social media and everything around it. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.